In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively link an image to a web page using simple steps. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their visual presentations with linked images that can seamlessly lead viewers to relevant online resources. Whether you're working on a presentation for work or a personal project, this technique will be a great addition to your skill set. To get started, first, you'll want to insert or select the image you intend to link. If you're inserting a new image, you can do this by navigating to the top menu and selecting Insert, then Image. Alternatively, you can click on an existing image within your document or presentation. It's essential to choose an image that is relevant to the web page it will link to, as this increases engagement and clarity for your viewers. Now, with your image carefully selected, we'll move on to linking it. Still having the image highlighted or selected, head back to the Insert menu and find the Link option. A quick tip here. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and are using a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl+K. For Mac enthusiasts, the shortcut is CMD+K. These shortcuts can save you some time and make your workflow more efficient. Once the linking interface appears, it's time to input the URL. Ensure that you have the full and correct web address of the web page you want your image to lead to. Mistyped URLs can lead to errors, so double-checking this information is crucial. Simply paste the URL into the designated field in the dialog box. After you've got your link there, go ahead and hit Apply. This step finalizes the linking process, attaching your website of choice directly to your selected image. Making sure your link is functional is the next critical step, which we'll cover in just a moment. It's good to remember that successful linking helps guide your audience directly to key resources or further reading without them needing to conduct additional searches. Before wrapping things up, we need to test the link to ensure everything's working smoothly. To do this, jump into Present mode in your document or presentation application. This mode simulates how your content will appear to your audience and provides the perfect opportunity to test all embedded links. Hover over or click the image you linked to ensure that it opens the web page as expected or jumps to your desired slide. And that's it. You've successfully linked an image to a web page. Not only does this enhance the interactivity of your presentation, but it also provides a direct and efficient way for your audience to access supplementary materials or additional content. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find many creative uses for linked images in your future projects. Happy presenting!